What do you mean? Like, what are they?
Alright, dude. First I was worried, and now I'm just scared. Do you even know what a zombie is? A zombie is a regular person, just like you and me, except they've been infected with some type of virus that no one has been able to figure out. This virus kills the person and then reanimates them into the living dead. Now, the reason those people, zombies, were chasing after you is because zombies only do one thing, and that is eat. And you know what they eat? Human flesh. So, don't be scared, but 4 people just tried to eat you alive. And I saved you. Now, my question for you is, how did you not already know this? Did you just wake up yesterday?
No. Not even 20 minutes ago.
Oh. So what's your name?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know my name. All I remember is waking up in this house and going outside and being attacked by those things. I can't think of anything else.
Huh. Alright. Well, my name is Christopher. Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry to ask, but did you by any chance get bit by one of those things?
No. All they did was grab me. But it seemed like they were trying to bite me. I don't really know. I was too scared to think straight. No, I didn't. Why?
Well, you see, back when the virus struck, about a month ago, only a couple hundred had turned into zombies. But, over time, the human population decreased, and the zombie population increased. The reason for this is, if a zombie bites you, the virus, or the infection, from that zombie is transferred to you, and you will turn into a zombie. Now, depending on how many bites and how resilient your blood is to the infection, you can last for some time after being bit. But over that period of time, the infection will slowly kill you, until eventually you won't even be able to move. I've seen some people last about 8 hours after being bit. That's the longest I've ever seen anyone last. So, I just wanted to make sure that you wouldn't be attacking me in a couple hours.
So wait, why do you kill them? The zombies.
I killed them because, well, that's the only way to stop them. There's no cure, nothing. So I killed them.
Oh. Well, thanks for saving my life.
No problem. Now, if you're gonna stick with me, you're gonna have to carry a gun. I'll give you the barrel break. It's a shotgun, so it's got lots of power, but it only holds 2 darts, so use them wisely. Until, of course, you learn how to reload it quickly.
Wait, a gun? No, I'm not carrying this.
What the frick do you mean?
I mean, I'm not gonna carry a gun with me. I don't want to.
Dude, this is the only thing that can stop those things from ripping your head off. Then just take the frickin' gun and...
No!
Okay. Well, good luck with those zombies.
Well, wait. Can I stay with you?
Are you gonna carry a gun?
No.
Okay. But if you get your arm ripped off, I ain't gonna put it back for you.
we doing here?
Gonna search the cars, see if there's anything useful. Now keep quiet, okay? I don't want you to die already. Did you find anything?
Nope.
Alright, check over there, okay? I'm gonna check in this one.
Dude, what the frick happened?
Why did you do that? Crap, okay. Alright, go get the ball. They still following us?
No. No, they're gone.
Good.
What the?
What the heck happened back there?
I don't know.
You almost got us killed!
I know, it's just...
Didn't I tell you not to open the doors?
No.
Because the frickin' car alarm will go off!
No, you didn't tell me that.
I didn't?
All you told me was to search the cars.
But-
That's all you told me.
Okay, but dude, you can't
And
just...
don't yell at me, alright? I'm not like you.
What do you mean?
I'm not a trained assassin, or whatever you are.
I'm not an assassin.
Whatever! The point is, I'm not like you. I'm just a normal human being who woke up today to this screwed up world.
Yeah, but dude, you can't just go around making stupid mistakes like that. You're going to get yourself killed. I've only known you for like 10 minutes. I've already had to save your life twice.
Yeah, but I saved yours too.
Yeah? We saved both of ours. I'm proud of you for listening to me back there and using the gun. But dude, if you're going to survive in this world, you need to know how to defend yourself. I can't be there all the time to save you, alright? What do you say?
Okay. You know, do you think you could teach me how to do things like you can? Like fighting and always being ready for action.
Sure, I'll teach you. But not now. Maybe later. We gotta go.
Where?
Anywhere, I guess. Maybe the forest or something. We gotta set up camp. It's getting dark. Come on.